Hello to all my friends out there. So it's Fiesta Friday. And so the first thing I made is some chamomile tea. And so to give it a little bit of a Mexican flair, I want to add a tiny pinch of cinnamon, just a little bit. Some sugar. And some milk. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to have a little party using my cutting boards. A little fiesta. I used to say I wanted to, this is good, you gotta try this. Okay, that is delicious. Okay, so now what did I make? This isn't too shabby either. This is a Tijuana torta. If you want to see exactly how I made this Tijuana torta, scroll down. Then I added all kinds of work to this by making my own tortillas. These are really, really easy to make, and believe me, that is gonna taste good. I made 6. Then I made a nice little salad. And what I did is I typed Misha salad. Lettuce, tomato, I added radish, avocado, and green onion. And on my salad, I will have a little Thousand Island dressing. So what I want to do is pretend this is a little party. I invited some friends over. They should be so lucky. I have friends every night, you guys. Lots of friends. Okay, and I'll have a little... Okay, so my party is looking pretty good. Okay, then I have some salsa and some sour cream. That is going to taste good. This is going to be good. Okay, then I wanted to have some tasty fruit bites. And what I did is I just used canned mangoes, and I got some fresh pineapple at 99 cents only, for 99 cents. And I sprinkled it with some Classico seasoning. Cold fruit is really good with spicy food. Okay. It was bad enough I was determined to make my own tortillas when, what else did I insist on making? Mexican wedding cookies. These are well worth the effort. Well worth the effort. They're nice big cookies too. You know, I just used a teaspoon and they came out pretty big. And these will taste so yummy with that tea back there. You got to try that. I made half a batch and it made 22 cookies. So if you make these, if you consider how many cookies you're really getting, they're really not too expensive. All right, so let's take another look. Tijuana torta. I have tea, chamomile tea with cinnamon, sugar, and milk. Homemade tortillas with salad, salsa, and sour cream. Tasty fruit bites, and Mexican wedding cookies. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.